Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this beautiful 20 by 28 stepped in mirror. This thing looks really nice. It's got an inset LED light as well as a backlit light, which is super cool, but it's got a lot of other neat features too. And again, this is the 20 by 28 version of this mirror with a nice black frame. It does come in some other sizes, but this one is one I wanted to hang in our bathroom to show you how it works. This comes with 3 buttons on here, which I'm going to show you how we install them. But one of the neat features I'm going to show you on the back is it has an anti-fog. So if you're in an area that you've got a shower in a bathroom and you're going to have a lot of steam, you can click that and it actually activates this powered back piece here that will actually heat it up to the point that it doesn't fog on the front, which is super cool. Now it does have a way to hardwire this in, which is how I'm going to be doing it, but it does come with an instruction guide as well as mounting hardware, as you see here. It's got 4 screws, 4 pieces here that can be used as anchors to put the screws in, these mounting brackets that can be used to mount it to the wall that you can then hook up underneath the edge of this here. And it also comes with a plug that allows you to tie into this if you want to run it to a plug, but I'm just going to be hardwiring it in, so I'm not going to be using that part. What I'm going to do is hardwire this in here, where we've already got some wire nuts to be able to wire that in. You're going to go ahead and put your screws. I'm going to be using the screws as the mounting hardware, and just go ahead and make a straight line to mount that. And then this will actually mount over the top of that and hook right in. Beauty of this mirror too is you can also mount it either way, either vertically or horizontally. I'm going to go ahead and wire it in, and then we'll show you the operation. So now that this is up here, you've actually got a couple of different things you can do. One is you can turn it on and off with that, and you can see it's got this nice backlit display. Because we've got some maybe more natural light here, it's more cool light here. Another nice feature is this middle button. You can actually change it. Now it's more of a natural light, where you can switch it to the cool light. It's got a couple of different options there, so we can try to make it blend in better with the ambiance. If you press and hold on this button here, you can actually dim the mirror down. Just hold on to it so it'll dim way down, so you can get it set or turn it off that way.
So one of the really neat things that I liked about this mirror is as you're in the shower and you're getting all the steam, you can just press that button and it just clears it right up. So that's clearing it all up. So whenever you get out of the shower, your fog is all gone and you can instantly come in here and do whatever face makeup or anything else you're wanting to do. I absolutely love the lighting features of this and how bright you can make it. You can have just the bright light or you can have the backlight. So it's kind of even a nice little night light too.